Hi everyone, welcome again, Links FA. Right now I'm gonna do a special unboxing and feature of the UTAS UT9M Mini. Hi guys, welcome again here, Links FA. Right now I'm gonna do another unboxing. This one is sa mga top sellers natin dito sa store. As you know, Links FA has been in the industry for more than 20 years. Especially after ng mga pandemic, medyo naging popular tayo because of serving good quality service, featuring awesome products here in the Philippines. Right now I'm gonna do another unboxing and a special feature of the UTAS Defense UT9M Mini. Ito yung uso ngayon ng mga pistol caliber carbine na 9mm. So, let's check it out. Ano itsura niya? Tada! Oh, wow! This comes with a manual, comes with a gun. Sometimes, contents might vary, but this batch comes with the front and rear folding sights, polymer. Also comes with 2 magazines. Kasama rin siyang comp. Pwede mo ikabit dito dun sa kanyang threaded barrel. Papakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano. This model is made in Turkey. As you know, Turkey has been manufacturing long arms way back 90s pa. Started with Akar here in the Philippines. Arguably, UTAS is one of the top sporting firearms design companies in Turkey and of course in the world. This unit runs with Glock magazine. So halos lahat na ngayon ng mga PCC like mga CMMG Banshee, Angstad, and most of the AR9s uses Glock magazine now. Para sa mga masa yan, saka para sa ating mga civilian. Okay, this is a 9mm pistol. Meron siyang safe and semi-automatic selector. Operation is blowback and close bolt. Color is black. Barrel length is around 6 inches. Length neto is 322mm with the out muzzle brake and 345mm with a muzzle brake. The UTAS has its own folding buttstock. Of course, naka-charging handle ito. You can put this one here para may front and rear sights. Para hindi nyo maitanong, hindi po ito full automatic. Yung mag-release niya. You can put the accessory flashlight here. You can also put a red dot here. Of course, naka-ano rin siya threaded barrel. Pwede kong gawin na suppressor dito. Para mas aesthetically and it has its own good design. So anyways, I will show you kung ano itsura niya pag medyo meron na siya mga accessories, alright? Ito, yan, medyo sinet up ko na siya. Naglagay ako ng Vector Optic SCRD65. As you can see, ito yung mga bago nating red dots dito sa Links FA. Are really one of the top quality red dots here in the Philippines. Saka sobrang practical yung price niya. Also, naglagay na rin ako ng Balder GL dito. It's up to you kung ano gusto mong layout or setup for your UTAS. I think it is a good design. Put also a 1x28 na suppressor here. Just remove this one. O yan, medyo nag-iba na siya. It looks like a little rifle-ish looking. Pinalitan ko lang ng Balder yung weapon light niya. So yan, it's quite a nice setup as you can see. I'm gonna try it out in this video. Check it out. Again, this is the UT9M Mini. What I like about is, I like the build. I like yung kanyang pagiging metal. I tried the range. Maganda naman yung stability niya. It's very light. I will really recommend this for people who want something unique in the range, not that conventional or the traditional AR type. This is a good selection kung gusto mo. Most of the accessories here in Links FA. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to follow our social media page in Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. We also have a TikTok. Just also follow our website down there and call our hotline during business hours. For follow-ups, also please call us. And again, I want to say thank you to everyone who's been watching. Maraming salamat. Hope you like this video. Thanks, guys.